This is my room before ambient lighting, and this is after. Never understand what a light can do to your space. A little while ago, I was actually approached by a brand called Neewer. Now, if you have ever done any content creation, photography or drone flying, you probably already know their name. In fact, I already use their stuff every single day in my own workflow. I had bought their ND filters for my DJI Avatar 2 drone to get smooth cinematic shot footage, and I have been using their metal phone cage kit with the lens attachment for my mobile shooting. So when they reached out and asked if I wanted to check out their brand new smartphone lighting, it was an immediate yes. Let's unbox it. Everything is packed incredibly well. The first thing you will get your hands on is the manuals and one power adapter to power your lamp, the connectors, the light strip, and a remote controller, and the base itself, along with 3 multi-section extensions. I don't have a massive height exterior space to shoot these videos. It's literally just me, my room, and a lot of light. So we are assembling this right here on my bed. Putting it together is actually incredibly straightforward. You just screw the 3 multi-section extension stands together to form the main spine. To do that, you need to have your screwdriver, 4 screws, the connector, and 2 multi-section extensions ready.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right.
Now, here's a massive tip so you don't struggle like I did. I tried to swing it, but there's a very specific order to putting things together. First, you want to assemble the metal spine and lock it securely into the base. Next, and this is the crucial part, you have to plug the light strip power cable directly into the base before you mount the strip. Once that is plugged in, then you can easily press the silicone strip into the track on the spine. I did this completely out of the order at first and was struggling hard, but once I follow the actual process, it comes together perfectly. Alright, now it's time to plug it in and see what this thing can actually do. Oh wow, right off the bat, that's incredibly bright. Before even we jump into the smartphone app, this lamp actually comes with a dedicated physical remote control in the box. It takes 2 AAA batteries to run and is perfect for those times when you just want to walk into the room and quickly change the vibe without needing to pull out your phone, unlock it, and open the app. Right from the remote, you can turn it on, off, cycle through different color presets, adjust the brightness, and switch between modes instantly. It's super responsive, and having a physical backup right on your desk is a massive win. To connect the floor lamp to your home Wi-Fi, you need to download the Neewer Home app either from App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. The next step is to enable your Bluetooth on your phone. Open the app, tap the plus icon at the top right and search for NF01. Tap the device icon and follow the prompts to complete the pairing. Once you open up the app, this is where you get full control over the setup. First off, you get 10 customizable lighting zones. Brightness wise, this thing actually pushes up to 1500 lux. which makes it about 50% brighter than most standard corner lamps. It is easily bright enough to illuminate your entire room, not just sit in the corner as a soft accent light. For white light, it goes all the way down to an ultra-wide 1800 amber, which is super cozy for late night gaming or relax. You also get 52 pre-built preset scenes, fully DIY customization, and even in AI mode, where you can literally type in a home like cyberpunk setup and it will auto-generate a matching color theme for you. There is also a music scene mode that uses a built-in microphone in the bass, so the light reacts dynamically to whatever music, movie, or game sound you have got playing in the room. And of course, if you use Alexa or Google Assistant, you can just use voice commands to control him. If you use Alexa and Google Assistant, you can just use voice commands to control it hands-free. Overall, this Florian is top-notch. If you want to check out the newer smart floor lamp NF01 for your own space, I've got the link right down in the description box below. Let me know what you think of the new set of lighting down in the comments, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you. See you guys.